now I am rating 9 because I'm not that much. I point one I 9.
Okay, 20,000 rupees per month. You took up this program, learned it in 40 days, within 40 days. Now you have a business worth of 90,000 rupees.
Yeah, of course.
You recommend them.
Yeah, I will recommend because digital marketing is a trending
Correct.
economy. You already said no? Something post in a group community. There are lots of appreciations.
Hi everyone, meet Dhanraj. He's a digital nomad from Kerala, Kasaragod. So he got his first client in 25 days. Right now he's working with 2 clients. Let's understand. Congratulations, Dhanraj. You have done a great job.
Thank you.
So tell me the 2 clients that you're working with and how much are you charging them?
Yeah, first I approached on is from makeup industry. He's a celebrity makeup artist. Right now, he's working wedding grooming like that industry focusing. And second one is photography, wedding photography. He's also not only he's focusing on wedding photography, he's modeling photography also he's doing. That makeup industry I all closed for 30,000
30,000.
rupees.
Nice.
30,000. I didn't go for a free trial. No, I just closed for 30,000, and he's willing to do that. And I tell her within 2 days I will make the advance and go for. But some financial issue is uh, didn't do that.
Delaying. Delaying.
Uh,
Okay.
that's my first experience. But this is my first experience. As of now, I little bit worried. Like, no, it's my first experience. Right? That time uh, I push through your what do you know push through
Listen.
that.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I go for the next client. He's from photography. Uh, okay, he's okay. When he had the money, he said okay. When I have the that capacity, I will do this. Right now, I am in a situation like that, and go for the next photography industry. And he
So
said
when you
okay,
said 30,000, the second client, how much you said? How much is it?
35,000.
When you said that, they were happy. They said,
Yeah,
yes, I want to do this.
yeah. I told them no, your math is right now. So 300 leads per day, 50, 500 you get 30, 300 at almost
You showed
300
them the math
leads
and then you made them
man.
understand.
Yeah, almost 300 per in a month. You just convert 10% of that, you get 30%, and I reduce that at least 10 clients in a month. You get 10 clients, you got he charge minimum 40,000 for a program like wedding photography. He charge 40,000 minimum. That's minimum 40,000. Yours 10,000 means 10% means 4 lakh. Out
Wow.
of 4 lakh, I want just 35,000 and plus 15,000 for ad Facebook. So he told, I don't want 10 clients, just I want 5 clients. He told, if you give me 5 leads, I will introduce to my other. I have lots of contact.
Wow.
I will
You
convert them.
learned how to close clients, how to sell
Yeah,
clients, high ticket.
yeah. I take it. That's why I'm going little bit low. I'm not going for a cheap clients. I'm now currently I am looking for a good clients. That's why I'm
So
little bit now.
are you
I'm selectively going.
nice?
That's why I'm little bit
Nice.
converting to
But let's say you learned how to sell. How do you feel now?
yeah, it's very nice. So I'm basically from I am already learn something from closing, like in our multi-level marketing.
In
And
MLM,
from this also, I am from yours also is combined. I know now how to close a
sell.
client and how to
You okay? Now you learned
talk.
in MLM, you learned sales. You learned
Mm.
sales from me also,
Yeah,
which is powerful.
yeah, from yours. That's from.
How powerful is this? On a scale of 1 to 10, you learned sales from me. How powerful is this? On a scale of
Yeah,
one,
this is yeah, 1 to 10 is 10. That's now it's
in the
genuine,
right
right?
way of selling.
So sorry.
Right way of selling.
Yeah, yes, that's
Not like
little.
in MLM, they
Yeah, yeah.
manipulate very
Some
much.
time, yeah, the drivers that there is no what to do.
Nice.
Yeah,
So good that you are learning high ticket sales and you're selling, you're showing the value for clients.
yeah. That's
And
why
you're,
in Kochi, Bipin, I told no, I am right now. I am in Kochi. In Kochi, right now, the almost people are doing digital marketing for their business right now.
Hmm.
The fulfilled, not cheap
Correct.
client, or the best clients, all are using digital marketing. That's why one of the main challenge for me to
Hmm.
my sell my service. So almost people are doing this,
Hmm.
but there are some people. No, if therefore yesterday, day before yesterday, uh, I have a call with salon. I told you,
Hmm.
salon, beauty salon, and I quoted 30,000
Hmm.
for their service. They want not only ads, they want a person to handle their social media also.
Hmm. Hmm.
Mhm. Full social media. They want to promote. They want to reach to the people. No,
Correct.
they make like it now the makeup industry, the salon, the fashion. I think they are from us. There's like based on Instagram, based on their promotion. Like it's going that the industry going.
You can
Uh,
also do social media, you can do
yeah,
ads, you can do
ads.
website,
Yeah, yeah,
you can do everything.
everything. And
Correct.
I have a plan, and we plan everything, and I told them,
You're in
yeah,
the
we are
discussion.
going to get
You're in the
yeah
discussion. Nice.
discussion. And there is also marketing, like influencer marketing also here. There are lots of influencers here. Instagram influencers, there are
Nice.
lots of influencers. I know. I told I will, I can do their business very much,
Nice.
and
So, how is your knowledge now? Before joining the program, now when it comes to marketing, digital sales, on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you want to rate yourself now?
1 to 10, I'm for me, I'm always doing cold calling. That's performing
It's
me
your
for
style.
me. Yeah, yeah. That's why when I talking, I can close the clients more.
Nice. Nice. Cold calling, the strategy that I've given is very powerful.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, that's right.
Correct.
But if I go for the free client, I can close more. But
Correct.
I'm in the situation now.
Correct. Always charge
That's why I
charge
am.
points. Yes.
Yes.
So great. Now you have two clients almost worth 65,000, and you have one
Yeah.
more client who's ready to pay 30,000, almost 90,000. You have a client business worth of 90,000 rupees per month. You're already there.
Yes.
Maybe here and there, 1 or 2 days, you will move forward. In just 30, in just 30 days. Is it, is this growth?
Yeah, it's growth. Apart from that, lot of rejections and
Yeah, yeah,
there,
that
but
will be
I
there.
yeah, yeah, yeah. But
This
I
is
push through
growth.
it. Yeah, we can close. Yeah,
In
we can
job,
close. We
in
can.
job, what was your last take home? What was your monthly income in job? How much were you in job? How much were you making? What was your salary?
No, after I told no. I resigned in 2018. I resigned
Yeah, yeah,
my job.
2018. What was your job income?
To 18, like 20,000.
Okay, 20,000 rupees per month. You took up this program, learned it in 30, 40 days, within 40 days. Now you have a business worth of 90,000 rupees or 85,000, 90,000 rupees, based on what you said. How do you
Yeah,
feel?
feel happy.
Do you feel confident?
Yeah, I got.
So, how is the trainer? What do you want to say about trainer? About
Yeah,
me?
yeah, yeah. Yeah. Or I seen your all video. No, everyone saying the same. Like yeah, to the point.
Ah,
Yeah, that's very nice. I mean, to the point. You're explaining very simple, like to the point, crisp and clear,
awesome.
crisp and clear. Yeah,
And if anyone wants to join the
yeah,
Digital Nomad program and they want to become a freelancepreneur, should they join?
yeah. Of course.
You recommend them.
Yeah, yeah. I will recommend because digital marketing
Hmm.
is a trending
Correct.
economy. You already said. This is a there is lots of opportunity in this field,
Hmm.
but you said no. Every field there is some challenges
Yes.
they have to face.
Correct.
No.
That's if you
Yeah,
face that
yeah,
challenge and
yeah.
you have
You
the
all,
right
yeah, yeah.
guidance
You
team,
already told push through, push through. You all every time you said that push
yeah.
through. Yeah, challenges everywhere,
Hmm. Just push
right?
through. That's it.
You push through. Yeah, just overcome that. You will achieve.
Correct. Um, and uh, when you when you did you get the support from us? Did you get the support from the team, community,
Oh
Did-
yeah, it's
everything?
very supportive.
Hmm.
Whenever when something post in a group community, there are lots of appreciations. Mm, Basically, especially Amin bro is very supportive. Something else, suddenly
Good
supporting just
support.
get reply from him.
Great. Great.
It's
Uh,
very supportive community. That's otherwise we can't. No, I'm means I have no background from digital marketing. I have I I'm not familiar with social media before.
hmm,
Now
hmm,
I'm searching how to handle social media like
hmm.
Instagram. I want to handle that right now. How
Correct.
to promote because
Great.
of this digital marketing. This you know I am going searching all
Awesome.
those things.
Really
Yes,
happy. Really happy. The reason that you're getting the result is you're taking action. You're implementing. And
yes,
you do more of this, you'll get more result.
yeah,
More implementation, more results. More calls,
yes,
more
yes.
sales.
More yes, yes,
No calls, no sales.
yes, yeah, yeah. That's right. That's right.
Okay. So that's it. Amazing. Great job. Congratulations again.
Thank you, people.